This is a super easy to assemble 2,000 pound weight capacity, sturdy and silent DUV metal twin bed frame with tons of storage space underneath. I bought this for my son, assembled it myself, and we are loving it. So let me show you a closer look. I'm actually really impressed with how it comes packaged in such a tiny little box. Everything is kind of wrapped in sections. You've got all the tools and hardware here and the user's manual. It goes over all the pieces and stuff. That's pretty standard, but when you get down to each little step, like, it's very, very easy to understand which direction things are facing and which pieces. Just really detailed, but also super simple and quick. Bottoms are a nice plastic, so it's not the metal that's gonna be on your floor. I love that these side rails come already assembled, so look at this. Whoop. You do have 3 bars that are actually going to get locked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are all going to be locked in. And then the others just drop in to these slots. So it's going to be really nice and sturdy. Here it is. We are fully assembled. That took me possibly half an hour. It was so easy and I did it all by myself, not an ounce of help. You can see how high this is. How much you're going to be able to store under here. It's just incredible. I love that it only has the 2 supports here in the middle, nothing in the center. So you're gonna be able to put big things in and out. Oh my gosh, if you have space, we don't have space, but if you have a space, you can go this way and do something really long. Wow, this is amazing. Here's the footboard. I still gotta take the little stickers off the footboard, headboard. I love the look. These all fit in really snug, but I didn't have any trouble. They all just went right in and you just give them a little push and they are in place. Let's go ahead and get my son's mattress on. A perfect fit, plenty of space. This is a regular twin, not an XL, and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and get his bedding on. All right, so that is one look if you want to have it hanging over the edge. And again, if you have a really thin mattress, you're gonna have a bit of a footboard up here, but my son has like that's at least 12 inch. I don't even know what that is, but it's just massive. So he's really got no footboard here, but it will keep the mattress on. So that's great. Final reveal. I like having it tucked in here. Looks nice and neat. And then we've got the massive storage space underneath if you need to use it. Otherwise, it's just a great way to keep airflow and all that to your mattress. No box spring required for this. I also love how you've got a little bit here so you can hang stuff from that. You can also clip stuff onto here. This one's a bit fat, but you can clip like a LED light and stuff. It is really, really sturdy. It's not squeaky. It's just amazing. Absolutely silent. Absolutely. Wow. Yes.